We've noticed a few skills gaps over the last few years, especially as we've tried to bring the organization into the current more effective climate of training and development. I think a couple things I've noticed specifically: managers, I think, have been so focused on tasks that they're not focused on actual development. So their coaching skills weren't real strong, feedback skills weren't real strong, and just overall thinking about how to develop their people maybe beyond the role they're in. So we've been working a lot with Gary over the last year or so to identify some of the most effective topics for workshops that we could do, that we could bring in. We do run some stuff in-house as well, but EANE's been a really good partner because they've actually asked us questions to understand where we are and what we're already doing and where we may have gaps. So we've been utilizing their Principles of Leadership program for all of our new managers, and making that open to any of our managers and leaders that they could join if they want to, but we're making sure all our new managers go through it to get those foundational skills and try and raise the standards of the organization in those areas up to a level that we know will be more effective. Gary and everyone else we've worked with has been really flexible with us, whether it's trying to find dates to run things, or maybe there's a topic we want to plug in that wasn't part of the program, and helping us figure out how to do that in a way that's going to be most effective and most brain friendly for the people going through the programming. So yeah, we've run a number of one-offs as well, things like time management, documentation skills, things like that. So it's been a really good relationship so far.